Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Size and Style. Lastly, swipe left or right on this font size slider to adjust it and check out Preview above. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!